Hi, I am Marcelo Ciro. I am a sound designer and a re-recording mixer, partner of We Can Do Audio Post. Here is a post-production audio facility. So what we do? We edit dialogue, ADR, edit and design sound effects, we have Foley artists, and we do the final step, the mix, or also call it re-recording. And today we're gonna talk how to create cool environments. This is a Small Pirates cartoon. This is to show Northern Lines to children. So let's hear mix it first.
Que coisa linda! Como se chama isso?
A aurora boreal, Billy! É, lá na nossa terra também temos auroras boreais. São muito bonitas mesmo.
I will solve the effects and bypass the plugins to see what they are doing. It is a wind with a tremolo and a delay only to spread and give some depth. Another delay with some oscillation. And a EQ automation to give the sense of movement of the wind. In this track, I used the H3000 to give a glitch. Yes, it's to give some particles in the air. So I used it going to the EQ and omnipressor to give more presence and some nice distortion. And again, I used the ultra channel automation to give more movement to the sound. Without the plugins, it's just a wind. This last is to give more body, so I used a delay with pitch variations and again the cue with automations. Without, it's just a stronger wind. You can see that you designed the sound with the plugins. So the story again is the most important. So let's hear again with and without all the plugins. Now with the plugins again. I hope you enjoy and follow us.